Hi guys, it's Mina. I am super excited today. Yesterday I did a comb rect ring pour and it was amazing. It was so cool. I can't wait to show it to you guys. Actually, you'll see it Sunday probably so. But I want to do that again today in a different color palette. So,
Flip your hair.
So today we're going to use a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas. Get that out of the way. I'm going to show you my colors really fast. This one is Liquitex Basics Ultramarine Blue, DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold, DecoArt Americana Decor Satin Enamels in pure white, Golden's Prussian Blue. This one is super thin. This one is for my base coat. That one has a ton of water in it. This one is DecoArt Extreme Sheen in Sapphire. And I only have half a cup of that. And this one is the Prussian Blue again, and then I showed you the Turquoise. So that's the color palette. I'm going to use the Prussian Blue as a base coat, and then we're going to do a ring pour, and then we're going to wreck it. So I'm going to do a ring pour, and I want it to be a lot of turquoise and the other blues to sort of be background players. So we're going to start with a little bit of gold for my inner crow, and then we're going to go right into the turquoise. And I'm going to actually put some white in there now. A little bit of gold. Now we're going to go the Prussian Blue. And some of our ultramarine. I love the ultramarine blue. It's such a pretty color, and it's a transparent, so cells come up through it, which is really nice. Okay, I'm going to go again with the turquoise. And since I'm putting it next to the gold, I'm expecting some of that lighter, brighter turquoise to happen. I think I'm going to go back to switch the Prussian Blue now. And then we're going to put some gold in. Then let's go ultramarine first. Dark again. Sapphire. Turquoise. Gold. And I'm going to end with some Prussian Blue. So I'm ending it with the Prussian Blue because I'm going to use that as my base coat. Alright, let's put this down real quick. Make sure that it's thin. I swear to God, there must be like 3 ounces of water in here. Yeah, see, that's just barely leaving a mound. The wind is blowing. Gail, can you be nice, please? You know, I think I'm going to add a little bit more water to it just to be on the safe side. Because I want that really thinner than all my other paint, so that everything can slide, especially because we have all this lovely wind. Actually, you know what I think I'm going to do? Rather than pour a whole base coat, I think I'm going to pour a puddle, and then I'm going to pour my cup, and then I'm going to pour this around it as a flow extender. So I'm just going to pour a puddle of that there. Alright, I deodorant. Let me move these. I'm excited. I'm very excited about this one. I think it's going to be really pretty. I hope. Okay. Okay, here we go. A ring pour. Okay, wind. Chill, please. Not gonna chill.
You just got your answer.
Chill this, lady.
Just wait a second.
The problem is I don't think it's gonna stop. Okay. Okay, come on. Let's do it. I'm just gonna stay super close to the canvas. All right, here we go. Woo, she's blowing it like crazy. Too much of that, so that's perfect. All right, turn this Now we're gonna put this around the outside. Actually, I think I'm gonna put a puddle of gold around the outside first, and then I'm gonna apply that. So the gold is the same consistency as that, that's fine. And now we're gonna do our flow extender. So this is much thinner. Get something on there for your paint to grab onto and slide on. Being serious on the edges. Okay. So what we have now is we have pretty much a puddle around our pour, which is perfect. Because that's going to help everything slide nice and easy. Okay, let's do this. We gotta wreck it. So, okay. I'm excited about this one. All right. So I'm going to start out here, actually, in the Prussian Blue, and I'm going to go nice and slow. Through the more solid areas. Kind of snaky there. Okay, I think I want to do one more up here too. Alright, here we go. We're going to go down off that edge first. I'm not going to tilt this a lot. We're just going to pretty much cover the corners. Stop right there and come back. We're going to go down off that edge now. I didn't go off the edge totally because that's just Prussian Blue and I can touch that up, and I'd rather keep the design that's there. Come back to the center and go down into the middle. I'm going to go off that side now. And here all that's opening up, so pretty. Yay! Very cool. Okay, come back to the center again. Let it go down. The wind is trying to take the canvas. That's really pretty what that gold is doing right there. There we go. And that is that. Actually, I'm going to go down this way just a little bit. Still feels like there's a lot of paint on here, but it'll be okay. There's not too much on there. I think I'm going to stop right there with that one. I'm just going to touch up my corners with the Prussian Blue, and that's it. I guess we can torch it. Let's torch it. Okay. That's cool. Alright, where's my Prussian Blue? This wind is insane. It was not like this earlier. Yep. Okay, and that's it for that one. Okay. Cool. So this turned out really neat, and I'm happy with how it looks, and I have some more ideas that I want to play with later. So I'll show you this one when it's dry. Okie dokie, so this is a few days later. This one turned out so cool, you guys. I love these swirls. And these cells in here are just amazing. So pretty. Hope you guys can see that gold sparkling and shimmering, because it's so cool. But my favorite part is definitely up here. That's just like the Prussian blue and the turquoise and the gold combined. I think I said the blue, the turquoise and the gold make this really pretty blue, but there's just something very peacocky, really pretty about this. All the golds and all the blues. That corner is gold. Really, really cool. Beautiful separation of the lines. A lot of 3D, lots of depth. Very cool stuff. I love that. And down here, it's really, really pretty. Very soft and floaty. I'm calling this one Daydreaming, because this is sort of what's going on in my head when I am daydreaming. There are all these colors and little thought bubbles popping up. Oh, look at that gold though. Ah, just so pretty. Awesome. So this was cool. Another pretty cool comb wreck. I'm happy. I'm having a lot of fun with these. I've been experimenting today with a different style of wrecking it with the comb, so we'll see what happens. Okay. So this is pretty awesome. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you guys are staying safe and taking care of yourselves and getting lots of sleep. And don't forget to create and laugh. Have fun. Try to have fun. Okay. I'll see you guys for the next one. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.